Hi, I'm Michael Plosek. I'm CEO and co-founder of Telegnos, and we're focused on maximizing the value of boat ownership. Out of the 18 million boats that there are in the world, only 1 million are registered as rental boats. In 2015, they made $37 billion in revenue, and that's expected to grow to $50 billion in 2020. But at Telegnos, we believe that market could and should be even larger. Now, we know that as a boat owner, you want to maximize the use of your boat while minimizing the cost and headache of maintaining them. One of the ways that you often do that is by renting it to the many people that want to be out on the water. But that doesn't alleviate all the pain of owning a boat. And that's why we're creating a hardware and software platform that will enable boat owners to manage, monitor, and market their boats to the growing number of people that want to enjoy them. And to do this, we've built a 5-person team, with each of us having over 15 years of experience building enterprise software and hardware solutions for companies such as Google, ServiceNow, and Scully. We've owned boats, and we've sailed all over the world. And we're starting with a focus on rental companies. So we interviewed 32 different companies who manage over 16,000 boats to determine what their biggest needs were. And we found these 3 things. They need to be able to know where their boats are at any time, to simplify the boat rental process for the owners, for the companies, and for the renters, and to be able to monitor boat systems without physically being there. Now, we know that as we solve these issues and needs for rental companies, we're also building the infrastructure that we'll need to support all 18 million boats. And we're using a 3-phased approach to do this. The first phase is focused on releasing a fleet management system which will allow boat owners and rental companies to easily manage their boats, know their location, create portals for customers to rent and reserve boats, and to use a mobile app that streamlines the renter's experience from when they reach the dock to when they return. Phase 2 is the release of our BoatHub, which is a connected device that integrates with our fleet management service, and it collects data about the health of your boat and alerts you on changing conditions. It also allows you to control onboard systems such as unlocking and locking hatches and enabling engines. This is what will make it possible for boat owners to be able to rent their boats out while not being physically there all the time. And where phase 1 and 2 were focused on the rental market and the rental companies, phase 3 is where you release the real potential of your boat. And we're doing this by extending the fleet management system to include a unified marketplace. Now, not only will it connect boat owners with potential renters, it'll also connect them with the people they need to maintain their boats, including captains, surveyors, maintenance, and insurance partners. And because we're focusing on getting our solutions to the market as quickly as possible, we're able to start building customer relationships and generate revenue early on. For example, we have an LOI with the largest rental company in the Bay Area worth a projected annual revenue of up to $35,000. And later on, we'll be able to leverage those same relationships as we release new services. Now, there are competitors out there, but they aren't solving the complete pain of owning a boat. And they focus either on health monitoring or creating software solutions for renting. The problem is that boats are not like houses. They sail away, they sink, and they cost a lot and take a lot to maintain them. This problem can only be solved by the combination of hardware and software that Telegnos is providing. And that means for the first time, by using our services, boat owners will have the ability and have a comprehensive solution that will enable them to easily rent their boats, as well as simplify the burden of owning them and maintaining them. We're currently raising $400,000 to enable us to sell 250 Telegnos trackers, release our fleet management system, and deploy a 50-boat pilot of the BoatHub before beginning mass production. This investment also will lead to a potential of $250,000 in annual reoccurring revenue. At Telegnos, we're maximizing the value of boat ownership, and we would love to talk to you more about how we're doing that. Thank you.